I am trying now to do a snapshot and I continue to get this notice that the device is busy. I have unplugged it, I've plugged it back in, I've relaunched the software. It just keeps telling me that the device is busy. So if you're in your EufyMake software and your machine says that it's online and it appears to be ready to go, but you're not able to actually print, or you're getting an error message when you attempt to print, there is likely a very good reason why. So if you go up here to this little device tab, you will see that your printer may be in moisturizing, or excuse me, in maintenance mode. So what happens is if you haven't printed in 3 days, sometimes it can be less, but 3 days seems to be the default, your printer will automatically go into this maintenance mode where the print head is in a moisturizing status, and in order to print you need to re-inject the ink. So you have to do that before you print. Now, I would suggest that if you haven't printed in 3 days, you actually do this right at the beginning of when you start working in the software, because it does take about 10 minutes. So you're just going to click this, and as you're going to see, it's going to begin injecting the ink. And as I said, this is a pretty slow process. So you can do it though while you are over in the work area setting up the rest of your design. So if you're wondering, why am I not able to print? How do I get out of moisturizing mode? That is how you are going to do it. I can hear my printer is working in the background. It's in the other room from me, and I can hear it kind of doing its thing. What I'm going to do after it injects the ink, I am going to do a print test, and I'm going to do a separate video on how you can do a print test and why you should, because there's a lot of misconception about what is actually a correct print test, and especially when it comes to the white ink. So I will link you over there if you are interested in seeing that, to make sure you confirm that your white is printing as it should. Okay, once the ink injection is done, you will get a notification that it has completed, and then this device window is going to change to say ready to print. You're also going to have all of your options over here for doing continued maintenance. So test printing is what we are going to do next, and I will send you to that video right now. All of the links for everything that I've mentioned, including more how-tos, more videos, and where to get accessories and supplies for your EufyMake E1 are all in the description below. I also do offer one-on-one help and support, same-day personalized support through Silhouette U, and there is a code for 50% off if you are interested in that. All of that in the description below as well.